Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we will be talking about how you can rent out your house for filming. Directors for TV and film are always on the hunt for houses to film in. For instance, a scene for Coronation Street was filmed in the student house on one of the save the student editors used to live in. Not only you can make good money, but it's crazy seeing your own place on TV. Start out by looking at websites. Rent out your body if you are comfortable taking off your kit, and then why not try life modeling? Sit there in the buff while budding artists capture your every curve or prohibits in frightening details. They try ram a website especially designed for these kind of jobs. You could also get involved in clinical drug trials, but be sure you fully appreciate any risks attached. Do not do anything or you are not comfortable with, no matter how desperate you are for money. And we also have freelance work, another topic. Perhaps you enjoy writing, managing social media accounts, or doing a little bit of graphic designing in your spare time. There are so many freelance jobs out there that require simple skills or just time that someone might not have. The best thing about freelancing is that you can and work for clients in the UK and around the world with just an internet connection from home to your own hours while developing valuable skills. A great place to start is the leading freelance site Upwork, or try using our student job search to find freelance jobs closer to home. How to sell your clothes online is another topic. When it comes to clearing out your wardrobe for money, eBay has been a favorite. Online auction are a surefire way to turn that sleeveless jacket and come in and out of fashion in a week into hard cash. But today there are lots more second-hand platforms which make it even more easier to sell your unwanted clothes online, including apps like Depop and Vinted. And we also have another topic here, which is how you can sell your stories and videos. If you have an interesting story, then you could try selling it to the papers or a viral social media company. If you need at least one photo or ideally a video. One of the Save the Student team was unfortunate enough to have a pigeon fly through and smash their window and university, and sold the story to the Sun for a tidy €50. Some national TV programmers like You've Been Framed will also pay you up to $250 for funny footage, or just publish it yourself on YouTube with ads. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.